Okay, this is a package. Let's see. No, it's open.
Okay. This is premium one. This is NH.
Unfortunately, at this time the camera was not recording. We have only a very short clip. This is what you see. So we just jumped to the next stage when we were using it, and you can see that now.
Oh, this is really lovely.
How it feels? Is it tough?
Yeah.
Or is it soft like a hand?
It's a bit harder than a hand. I mean, it depends on how much pressure you put on. If you want gentle, you don't, you don't pull it much. But if you want harder,
Oh, you're showing the how it has handles.
Yeah, you pull it. So, whatever you feel. So, because all of these can be a bit hard. So if you just relax and just have your arms to stop the
Do you think does it work?
Because I think it is.
It's 180 pounds.
Well, I've had the cheaper one, and I can feel the mechanism here is much more stronger.
Oh.
And I can feel it. It feels different. And much better built, and they, like I said, they feel much more softer.
Okay, I just now ordered a cordless one for you, so you will have that cordless. So when we are in garden or somewhere, without the need for wire, you just don't need that. You go and just enjoy it. And the good thing is that they give you a supplement cover. This is the cover they give you additional, because this one rips usually after a while, 1 year or 1.5 years. You have the premium one. This is Donnerberg, and premium you have it now, 180 pounds. The cordless one is 200 pounds, and I've just bought it for you. Hopefully you will enjoy that. I think there are 2 covers here. Oh God, you went vigorous, huh? And they have a heat also. Oh, look. You are a lucky customer.
Oh, it's much softer. I put it on a soft mode before basting. Oh God,
You can see just massaging your skin. You can see it actually on video.
That feels so good. I actually didn't know what that button was. It made me jump when I turned it on, because it's quite a buzz.
So probably that's the difference between a Porsche and other cars.
Yeah,
you have now a Porsche.
It's the quality of them, and it's really nice. It's
you can get a Suzuki, and you can get also a Porsche. Both takes you from A to B, but this one, okay, it takes you in better shape to B.
It's got 3 different speeds. It's got heat, and it's got massage.
It's lovely.
You can have it on any speed. You can have the massage in the heat.